If you have been online lately, you have probably noticed something. Every week there is a new AI tool promising to write your content, create videos, design your ads, and grow your business faster. One of those tools is Zeely AI. Zeely AI claims it can help businesses create video ads, UGC-style content, promotional scripts, product images, and advertising campaigns using artificial intelligence. That sounds attractive, especially if you are a beginner, a small business owner, or someone who does not have the money to hire a professional marketer and video creator. But the important question is not about whether Zeely AI looks modern. The real question is this: can Zeely AI actually be trusted? And can it help you get really business results? In this video, I'm going to explain what Zeely AI does, why some users like it, why others are unhappy, and what you need to know before spending your money. And I want to be completely honest from the beginning. I do not currently use Zeely AI in my own business, so I'm not going to pretend that I have personally tested every feature. This is an independent analysis based on what the company says, its policies, App Store information, and public customer reviews. Because when it comes to online business, hype is cheap, but the mistakes can be expensive. Hey, my name is Frank Chanda. I create content to help you make money online through affiliate marketing, freelancing, side hustle, remote job, and passive income. I also review apps, websites, and online programs so you can understand how they work before spending your time or money. So if you enjoy honest reviews like this, please like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share it with someone who is interested in using AI to grow a business. And let me know in the comment, will you trust artificial intelligence to create and manage advertisement for your business? Now let me start with what Zeely AI actually offers. According to Zeely, users can provide a product link or a short description of a business. The platform can then use the product information to help create advertising scripts, videos, static images, product visuals, and promotional content. The main attraction is speed. Instead of writing every script, designing every image, creating every video from the beginning, Zeely gives users template and AI-generated content that can be customized. For a beginner, that can be useful. Marketing can feel overwhelming when you are doing everything alone. You need to understand your audience. You need content ideas. You need videos. You need captions. You need advertising images. You also need to create something strong enough to stop people from scrolling. A tool that makes this process faster can save time. This explains why many positive reviewers praise Zeely for its template, simple design, and ability to create advertising content quickly. Some users say it helped them create Facebook and Instagram advertisement more easily, even when they had a limited marketing experience. However, the public reviews are mixed. At the time this original review was researched, Zeely has thousands of reviews across platforms such as Trustpilot, Google Play, Apple App Store. Many users gave positive rankings, but there are also a noticeable number of serious complaints. And that is where beginners need to be careful. The first concern is the difference between creating an advertisement and creating a profitable advertisement. AI tool may create a professional looking video, it may write an attractive script, it may give you a colorful image, but none of that guarantees that people will buy your product. This is an important distinction. A good looking advertisement is not automatically a successful advertisement. Real advertising results depend on many things. Your product must be something people want, your offer must be attractive, your price must make sense, your targeting must be accurate, your website must build trust, and your advertisement must reach the right people. Some negative reviewers complain that Zeely looked impressive but did not give them the business result they expected. That does not prove the tool is useless. However, it does show that people should not treat it like a guaranteed money making system. The second concern is control. Some business owners want a tool that handles everything for them, but experienced advertisers usually want more control over their targeting, campaigns, data, budget, and result. Some public reviews complain about limited edition options, targeting limitation, and not having the level of campaign control they expected. This can become a problem when someone starts spending money without fully understanding how the advertisements are being managed. Convenience can be helpful, but convenience can also hide important details. The third concern is billing and refund. According to Zeely published policies, some advertising-related payment may be non-refundable, while subscription refund requests may be approved, partially approved, or rejected depending on the situation. That does not automatically mean the company is dishonest, but it does mean you should read the term carefully before paying. Do not assume that you can easily recover your money if the advertising campaign does not produce sales. There are also privacy considerations. The App Store information indicated that the app may collect certain user information and may use identifiers for tracking across apps and websites. This type of data collection is common in advertising technology, but users should still understanding what information they are sharing. So does all this mean Zeely AI is a scam? Based on the information available, I will not describe it as a fake or invisible product. It has official app listing, public reviews, legal pages, and a large number of users. It appears to be a really AI marketing tool. However, being a real tool does not automatically mean it will be profitable for every user. Some people may find it useful for creating content fast. Others may be disappointed by the result, billing process, targeting option, and lack of control. And this brings us to the biggest lesson. The tool is not the business. Zeely AI may help you create advertisement, but it cannot replace your understanding of your customers. It cannot replace a strong product. It cannot replace trust. It cannot replace your message. And it cannot guarantee that people will buy from you. This is where many beginners make a mistake. They keep searching for the perfect AI tool, the perfect app, or the perfect done-for-you system. But successful online businesses are normally built on skills. You need to learn how to communicate clearly. You need to understand why people buy. You need to create useful content. You need to explain the benefits of a product honestly. And you need to build trust with your audience. When you have those skills, artificial intelligence can make your work faster. But when you do not have those skills, artificial intelligence can be just another monthly subscription. So what is my final verdict on Zeely AI? Zeely AI appears to be a legitimate tool that may help businesses create advertising content more quickly. It may be useful for beginners who need templates, video ideas, professional scripts, or a simple product advertisement. However, I will not trust it blindly. I will not assume that it will automatically generate sales, and I will be very careful about using it to spend money on paid advertising if I did not already understand the basics of advertising. If you decide to test Zeely, start with a small amount of money. Read the subscription and the refund policies, monitor your spending carefully, measure the actual sales you receive, and do not confuse views, clicks, or attracting video with profit. Remember this, revenue is not the same as profit. A advertising activity is not the same as advertising success. If you are completely new to online business, I believe your first investment should be in learning the foundation, learn content creation, learn how affiliate marketing works, learn how to identify a really problem and recommend a useful solution. Learn how to build an audience that trusts you. That is also why I created my 7-day email affiliate bootcamp. It's designed for beginners who want a simple step-by-step introduction to affiliate marketing without unrealistic promises or unrealistic pressure. You can find the free bootcamp through the link in the description. So to summarize, Zeely AI may save you time, but is not magic. It may help you create advertisement, but it cannot guarantee sales. It may make marketing easier, but it cannot replace business knowledge. AI can support your business, but you still need judgment, skills, patience, and clear understanding of your audience. Now I want to hear from you. Will you try Zeely AI for your business? Who do you believe beginners should learn content creation and advertising before paying for an AI marketing tool? Share your opinion in the comment. If this video helped you, please like it, share it, and subscribe for more honest reviews and practical information about making money online. My name is Frank Chanda. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.